Now, a dual monitor setup isn't something new, but one that can truly captivate a uniquely endless amount of display capabilities, partnered up with a small and space-saving form factor, well, that's slightly new. A company hoping to fulfill this gap in the market is DomyFan. This is the Domifan 12.3-inch touchscreen external monitor, and with an aspect ratio of 16:7 and its resolution of 1920x860p at 60Hz, well, so far it's certainly ticking all the boxes. With unlimited ways of which this can be truly utilised in your life, be it video editing, gaming, calendar interface, and so much more, the Domifan external monitor is certainly very interesting. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what all the hype's about. Now, this is still in its crowdfunding stage, so some things may change. However, in the box you do indeed get everything you need for a plug and play experience. What's really nice about this device is Domifan have provided an invisible light cable design, which incorporates a single USB Type-C hidden away, allowing you to easily connect your screen or phone, making for a much neater and wire-free desk. On the back, we actually have two fully featured Type-C ports that support USB 3.1 data transfer, DP audio and video transfer, and PD 3.0 charging at 60 watts. So those ports can indeed allow for connecting more external devices, both to power the screen and to power other devices as well. We'll talk about that a bit later on. So there's all the ports. It does have a sturdy aluminium alloy stand that can be adjusted up, left and right, allowing you to adjust the angle to your desired position of up to 360 degrees. There is also mounting on the back if you want to mount it to the wall or to the side of your existing monitor. You could have it at the bottom of your monitor, on the side, or even on the top. And you can even have more than one, just adding even more further screen real estate to your workspace without cluttering it up or having wires everywhere. Now, I've been advised that the main support for these screens is indeed Apple iMacs or MacBooks. It is compatible with Windows, but for full jam-packed features like touchscreen and interface customization that is optimized, a Mac is probably preferred. Connection method is very simple and can be achieved using a single USB Type-C to not only power the display, but provide the external image and touch availability. We can dive into the device's menu interface using the side buttons first. I won't spend too much time talking about it, but here we can lower the resolution, play around with brightness, contrast, sharpness, and different modes to achieve the optimal viewing picture for the certain individual. As we can achieve this multi-screen setup from a single host, I've been taking full advantage of the ability to edit my videos using this extra space I never really thought I needed. I can drag sections of controls to certain screens, allowing me to free up space on my central display for a bigger live view of my project. It really has just made my workflow so much more smoother and organized. As mentioned, there is a whole host of ways to use these screens. Video editing is just one of them. Some days it's just nice to just simply listen to music in the background whilst working, but not having to take your eyes away from your workflow. So by having the external monitor set up on YouTube, I can use the touchscreen functionality to scroll through the music and find what's best for me. It is like having a huge phone on the side of your monitor. The touchscreen functionality is just brilliant and adds further versatility to your already fantastic Apple device. I can place calendars, clocks, reminders, sticky notes, you name it, I can do it with these screens. With a full HD resolution of 1920x860p at 60Hz, the image provided is crystal clear and looks great. Another great reason just to have video or movies playing in the background on the side while still maintaining some productivity with your work. To clean my desk up more, I can actually run my external keyboards and mice through the display itself, as everything is run via that one functional USB Type-C port. So I could free up a lot of ports on my iMac, which we all know we need these days as the new models, well, I just don't have hardly any. It doesn't stop there though, as there is functionality to be able to mirror your iPhone's display for a projection viewing only. Say you want to take advantage of the built-in charging, you can do that and also mirror your iPhone's screen. You can keep updated with notifications to the right of your display and not have to keep looking down at your phone, taking away your attention from your workflow. You won't get that Type-C functionality like touchscreen, but it is still nice to see you can do this. If we wanted to, we could use that mini HDMI port to connect up a gaming console. And because this is so portable, compact, and very lightweight, it's just simple to pull out of a bag and plug up your console for a 920 by 860p at 60Hz gaming experience. Now, obviously, you're not going to get fantastic quality, but what's not to love here? The experience may take some time for you to get used to, but having that image stretched over a 16 by 7 form factor, it is glorious and it is really enjoyable. There is no doubt in my mind that this is an all-rounder in terms of versatility and its application value for a range of consumers. Be it you work from home or in an office, or you're just simply a gamer, we all share the desire to maximize our workspace and offer to ourselves a more convenient and efficient way of working. The screens are a unique gadget that will help you utilize your Mac to its full potential without taking up too much space. Be sure to check out the screens in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.